guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, this is the second part of the Fun School glass painting. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to color the glass, as you will get two of them. So I'm gonna paint the ship. Let's get on to it. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this thing which is gonna save some, like, it's not gonna get dirty. So I'm just gonna keep it up the side. And first you have to check which is the back side and which is the front side. You have to do it from the back side, okay? So guys, as I told you to look at the front side and the back side, it's really difficult. So what you can do is just feel it, and so I can recognize this is the plate you have to paint on, as it's a little bit up, and the front side it is not up. So let's do it. So let me just. There's a sheet over here, so I can just copy this, or I want to make my own. So I'm gonna make my own. So guys, let's put some paint on. So first, just gonna squeeze out some red color. So if you want it better, just shake it before you put it in. So I've already shaped it. Okay, so now I'm just gonna paint this, and it is so like you can do it with your family and like your friends, but you have to do it alone and with your family only, because as it is COVID-19, nobody can come to your house. That's so sad. But I literally go down for cycling. This is so like, it's a hard work also, because you know it's for coloring this and making it a red color, it's a little bit difficult because this is type of water, and if you just move it, so it is just gonna spill. So now you need water to, actually right now we don't need water because we are using the same color. This is so beautiful. I love to do this, as I have not finished the peacock one, so I just want to start this one. This is a bit easier than the peacock one. Okay, before I do this, let me show you the peacock one. Like, I have not done it right now, but I can still show you. If you put something under it, it's gonna work. Because then it's not gonna show the color. Let me just cover it up. Okay, so I've basically colored it up, and you can see it. Isn't that beautiful? I don't know if it is yet. Okay, so now let's continue coloring our ship. You can basically, if we have only 3 colors, we can mix them and make a new color. As I mixed yellow and red to make orange, and you know I made green also by mixing yellow and blue. this out, it's not gonna look good. Okay, now we are gonna use our blue color. Just gonna take this out. Is this the blue color? Yes, I think this is the blue color. It's not easy to recognize which is the color because it's quite the same. It's quite the same container where the paints are. So I basically recognized it because of this. I don't think if you can see it, but there are small dots of blue. Yes, it is blue. Oh, that's too dark. Okay, so I'm just gonna color this. So I thought to change colors because I can't just color the same thing because it's quite I don't know, but the colors has to change as like it is not gonna look beautiful if we don't change the colors. So basically I'm just gonna color it. So guys, I'm doing it in rush because I want to show you what I made. So you don't have to do it in rush, okay? So basically, if you have made it, so I just wanted to tell that this is the frame. So it's basically you need this when you're done and it's dried. It's basically gonna just place it like this. I don't know if you can see it. I have to place it like this, and it's like this. It's like this. Just leave it. Oops. You have to put it in somewhere or this will fall. Okay, guys, look at this, and it's like a perfect frame for other pictures also. Not only this, but it's good. And guys, and before I'm gonna end this video, I want to tell you what you have to keep in mind in this. You don't have to take the color out. You don't have to take the color out, as you just have to put it in these lines. So it's very difficult, as I was telling you before. So guys, I'll meet you in the next video and I will show you my final result of both of my paintings. Bye.